Hi, I am Arpana. Welcome to my class. Today we are going to discuss about structure of polynucleotide chain. Structure of polynucleotide chain. As name suggests, polynucleotide. Poly means many and nucleotide so polynucleotide is made up of many nucleotides, and each nucleotide consists of three components, which are nucleotide consists of three components that are first phosphate group, second one is sugar. Sugar in nucleic acid, sugar is of two types, that is ribose type of sugar and deoxyribose type of sugar. Sugar in nucleic acid is 5 carbon compound and it is of two types, deoxyribose and ribose. In DNA, deoxyribose sugar is present, and in RNA, ribose type of sugar is present. So, and third component is nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous base is heterocyclic chain which consists of nitrogen, and nitrogenous base are of two types, that is purine and pyrimidine. Nitrogenous base is of two types, purine and pyrimidine. Purine is a double ring structure. Double ring structure, and nitrogen is attached at the position of 1, 3, 7 and 9. At the position of 1, 3 and 7 and 9, nitrogen is attached, and purine is of two types, that is adenine and guanine. So, purine is double ring structure and nitrogen is attached at the position of 1, 3, 7 and 9. And there are two types of purine, adenine and guanine. Both adenine and guanine are present in DNA as well as RNA. Okay, DNA and RNA possess adenine and guanine. Next is pyrimidine. Pyrimidine is single ring structure. and nitrogen attached at the position of 1 and 3 only. Nitrogen is attached and it is of 3 types, that are thymine, cytosine and uracil. So, pyrimidine is of 3 types: thymine, cytosine and uracil. Thymine is present in DNA only. It is present in DNA and absent in RNA. Cytosine is present both DNA and RNA. And uracil is present in RNA and absent in DNA. So, this is the composition of nucleotide. Nucleotide consists of phosphate group, sugar, nitrogenous base. Sugar is 5 carbon compound and it is of 2 types, deoxyribose type and ribose type. In DNA, deoxyribose sugar is present and in RNA, ribose sugar is present. Next, nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous base is of 2 types, purine and pyrimidine. Nitrogenous base is heterocyclic structure, consists of nitrogen, and purine is double ring structure. It is nitrogen is attached at the position of 1, 3, 7 and 9. Adenine and guanine both are present in DNA as well as RNA. Pyrimidine is single ring structure and nitrogen is attached at the position of 1 and 3, and the pyrimidine is of 3 types: thymine, cytosine and uracil. Thymine is present in DNA only, absent in RNA. Cytosine is present both DNA and RNA. Uracil is present in RNA and absent in DNA. Let us see the structure of single strand of polynucleotide chain. A single strand polynucleotide chain, let us discuss the structure. This is the sugar. Complete sugar, and there is phosphate, and this is the 5' end, and nitrogenous base is attached here. It could be adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, but not uracil, because uracil is the component of RNA, not DNA. And here is phosphate bond, then another sugar is attached, there is nitrogenous base. It could be adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine, and here another phosphate bond, another sugar, and there is another nitrogenous base, and here is phosphate bond, then another sugar, it could be guanine, and here hydroxyl group is present, free OH is present, and this is the 3 dash end. This is a single stranded polynucleotide chain. There is two bonds. You can see the nitrogenous base. This is the nitrogenous base adenine, which is purine, is attached to sugar. This bond is called glycosidic bond. And there is two sugars are attached by phosphate group, and this bond is called phosphodiester bond. Phosphodiester bond. This is the glycosidic bond and this is the phosphodiester bond. It is a phosphate group at 5 dash end. At the 3 dash end, free hydroxyl group is present. Sugar, nitrogenous base, phosphate group, sugar, nitrogenous base, phosphate group, sugar, nitrogenous base, phosphate group, sugar, nitrogenous base, free hydroxyl. It is 3 dash end. This is a single strand polynucleotide chain. Thanks for your time. See you in next class.